Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Right away, I want you to go ahead and give the thumbs up. You can go ahead, I'll wait. Please give the thumbs up. This helps me move up with YouTube. And since I'm working hard for you, I'm asking you to do me that favor, okay? Thank you. Okay, so let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day is the clock is ticking. Money is going out the window. The cost of things are going up. And it's up to you to do something about all of that. And the one thing that you can do is stop and think, regroup, and redirect the way that you're going with all of those concerns. Because it's only you that can make a difference. It's only you to make the change in your life. Now that's the word of the day. The clock is ticking, but you can change things even though the clock is ticking. Alright, okay. So I'm going to be cooking for you some garlic and herb spare ribs. You know, I did a shopping haul. I bought 2 slabs of ribs. I cut it every 2 bones. Today we're going to be using 2 of those bones. Each of these pieces is 2 bones. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. So it cost me $1.56 for each 2 bones. And so the 2 pieces is going to cost us today $3.12 for some garlic herb spare ribs. Okay, can't wait to show you. Thumbs up, share the video. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Thumbs up. Subscribe. Thanks. Okay. So now I have some garlic paste. I'm going to put a half of a teaspoon, even though I have a fork, on each piece. And then I'm going to massage that in. Along with some granulated garlic. A little salt substitute. And some, I want to do some, if I can find it, black pepper. And now I'm going to take some oil, olive oil, put a couple of drops on the top, and then I'm going to massage that in. The oil helps to put the seasonings where you want it, lubricated. Okay, so still with garlic on my hand, I'm going to do the other side. Okay, let me wash my hand. Okay, now we're going to put garlic, granulated garlic on the back side. The side we didn't put any on yet. The pepper. Alright, now this is our inspiration. Garlic and herb. This is salt free and it is a great mixture of garlic and herbs. Okay, so now I'm going to put some on. I got the meat with the front side down. Okay, I'm going to put a few drops of garlic on here. And that garlic will melt and start running and have the seasoning sticking to itself, to the meat. Okay, and I'm going to put my garlic and herb on the front side now. I'm putting it on heavily, yes, heavily. Okay. Now, well, I missed the spot. Oh, sorry. Okay, now I'm going to put some oil on the front side. Okay, and now I'm going to put it in this pan that I already oiled with olive oil. And you see how it's looking. Wait a minute, here we go. Okay, I'm kind of, there we go, I couldn't aim it right. Okay, and I'm going to cook this in the oven on 400 degrees until the temperature reaches 155. Okay? Okay, and we'll be back. Thank you. Okay, here's our garlic and herb spare ribs. Look at that. Oh, can you just imagine that garlic and herbs on your mouth? Oh boy, let's taste. I wanted to get into the picture. Can I do that? All right, let's taste. Mmm. Delicious, delicious. That's all I can say. Delicious. Please try it, okay? Thumbs up, share the video, please subscribe. Bye-bye.